Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to turn off two-factor authentication on Etsy. So the first thing that you need to do guys is to go ahead and sign into your account where you have the two-factor authentication turned on. So this is the account that I will be using. Click on continue and here I am on my account. Go to your account profile right here and click on account settings. Then what you would need to do is to go to security, and from here you would need to go to two-factor authentication here, and as you can see here it is turned on. So I'm going to click on edit and I'm going to click on turn two-factor authentication off, which is not recommended of course. So I'm going to click on it, click on continue, and here we strongly recommend keeping it on. You can always update your settings later. I'm simply gonna turn it off from here, and as you can see you have turned off two-factor authentication successfully. So now there is no more, I don't really need this anymore, it is turned off, and basically I am not secured anymore. So I highly recommend you guys to not do it, but for a certain reason you would like to turn it off. Maybe you would like to switch it to something else, for example from Authenticator app to SMS or phone call. Well, this is basically how you can do it. Otherwise, it's highly recommended to not turn it off, since your security or your account could be very vulnerable for attacks, hacks, or getting your passport jackpot. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video guys. If you do have any more questions about Etsy or securities, you will have all the videos about it in our channel, so make sure to check them out. And also for those who do not know how to verify the phone number, verifying phone number is actually a part of two-factor authentication. So if you want to know how we can cancel the phone number, make sure to leave a comment down below in the comment section. I will let you watch a full video about it. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming videos.